Good day everyone, who are you here? In this video I'll be showing you this 11 series 50 ringgit notes. But before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. Alright, based on what we can learn from the book is the notes appear around 2000, and it come out when the Bank Negara Governor is Tan Sri Dato Zeti Akhtar Aziz. This is how her signature look like. This is how the overall notes look like. This is the size of the notes. It have to be 145 mm times 69 mm. The first prefix start with EB, and I ended with SY. There's 6 replacement prefix ZA, B, C, D, E, F. But do take note about this ZA because you see, according to what I heard was if your ZA start with this 97 whatever number is, it's very hard to find. So if you it's estimated to be around 1200, it's a bit hard to come by these replacement notes. Now I'll leave the book like this in case you want to record anything down. But do take note that the price here is just a guidance, it does not reflect the current market price. Things may change from time to time, so this is just a guidance. I'll leave it like this for 10 seconds. You can pause the video later if you want to continue, if you need more time. Alright, now let's take a look at let's take a look at the notes. This is how the notes look like. This is how the notes behind look like. Yes. A few things to take note about the notes is the Tan Sri Dato Sri Dato Zeti Akhtar Aziz is our longest serving governor. So notes with this signature is a lot lah. So I wouldn't say it's valuable if yours is just a normal prefix. As you can see, the general prefix is estimated only around 60 ringgit, even if it's an uncirculate condition, unless yours is a replacement notes. But even replacement notes is just roughly this much only. And hold on, let me pause the video for a while. And you start, if let's say you're going to collect these notes, make sure you check a few things like the watermark. Here there's a argon watermark. Of course, you can put under the UV light to see make sure it has some UV pattern. Alright, and also do beware that some people might create a fake error notes by ironing this thing, and this thing will come off because there's a trick was you can use a hot iron, you put a cloth on the notes and then iron it, and this security strip will come out. Those are not those are man-made error, not natural error. So do not pay extra for fake error notes. Now, if you like my video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching it from Steamit, don't forget to upload my posts. And have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.